Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of our Retirement Cafe. And today I'm going to make a Philly cheesesteak meatloaf. It's going to be a layer of meatloaf with a layer of cheese in the middle of it. We start out with a pound of ground beef. Mix that up. Okay, we're going to mix together the ground beef, a cup of breadcrumbs, an egg.
One egg.
One egg. Let's mix that up first. A half a cup of milk. Mixing a little easier now with milk in it. Half a cup of diced onions.
Yeah. Yummy.
A cup of sliced mushrooms. Salt and pepper to taste. I like plenty of pepper.
Me too.
We'll do a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Worcester.
Whichever you prefer.
A pre-greased bowl. What do you call it there? Casserole dish. You just spray it with some non-stick stuff. Take half of it, put it in the bowl. And then I'm gonna put the cheese. Let's see.
This is going to be very different and delicious. I already know it.
We want to squeeze this meat out a little farther. Oh. I'm going to take the other half, put it on top of it.
Oh my goodness. Mile high meatloaf.
And we want to seal it all in. That's why the meat had to extend beyond the cheese. Here goes preheating the oven. You just heard it beep.
To 350 degrees.
Yes. Now I'm going to make the sauce that goes on top of the meatloaf. I have half a cup of beef broth, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, quarter of a cup of ketchup, teaspoon of mustard, and I'm going to whisk it all together. Yeah. Actually, I don't think it's thick enough.
Put some flour in it.
I added a little flour to it to thicken it up at Debbie's request and a suggestion, and a little more ketchup. Just a little squirt.
Then we pour it on this delicious looking meatloaf. That looks good.
I don't know, just adding flour make it a little thicker. It gives you a little more.
Yeah.
There we go.
All ready for the oven.
And go into the oven for an hour.
Oh, look at this. Look at this meatloaf. The cheese, everything's in there, the mushrooms, the onions. And we're gonna taste it now to see if it's really good. As if I don't know. Oh yeah. It is delicious. You can taste everything. What a wonderful combination. Thank you, honey.